Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to make your board public in Trello. So navigate to your board and once you are there, just simply go right here to these three dots in the top right corner and click on it. Now here you should see the visibility of your workspace button, so click on it as well. Here you can change the visibility to private, workspace, organization, or the one that we want, which is public. So click on public and then confirm, yes, make board public. Now the board is set to public. You can change its visibility at any time. As you can see here, more about public boards. Now to change it back, just go right here, visibility and private. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.